I'm 45 and I pee a lot. I also like to know if my body is getting what it needs to function. Well, besides pizza and beer, of course. So the other day when I saw this ad on Instagram for Vivoo, I became so intrigued that I almost wet myself. Well, not really. But I am excited to try this out for the first time and share the results with you. So stick around, that's next. Hey, this is Rob the Picky Daddy, back with another review of the best stuff to waste your money on, or in today's case, piss away your money on. That's because, like I said at the beginning, I'm checking out Vivoo. These are test strips that you pee on at home to get instant nutrition and lifestyle advice based on your urine sample. Now, as a guy, I don't have a whole lot of experience peeing on sticks, but I guess it's going to be a lot like taking a pregnancy test, without the fear of having to suddenly convert my man cave into a nursery filled with baby animal plushies. Unless they're Baby Yoda plushies, then that's okay. So this is what one of the test strips looks like. As you can see, there are 8 color-coded boxes that you have to pee on. You have to pee on all of them because each one corresponds to a different test measurement. Now, I've memorized all of the 8 test measurements. They are hydration level. Okay, no, I didn't. So let me get the sheet here that comes with the Vivoo, and they are, the first one is hydration level, and there's a pH test, an immunity box, which basically looks at your white blood cell count, a kidney test that checks out your kidney function. Then there's a liver box that checks out how much bilirubin you have. There's a UTI box that determines how much of a risk you are for a urinary tract infection. There's an energy box, which says its energy level is based on the presence of ketones in the urine. And then there's a separate ketone box, which is, for people that I guess are taking a ketogenic diet. It also is helpful for people that may be suffering from diabetes. And then all of those get rolled into an overall wellness score of between 0 and 10, with 10 being awesome and 0 being you should have made out your will 2 weeks ago. Now, the nice thing about all of this is that the only thing you have to pay for are the test strips. The app that you scan the strips into to get the results is totally free. And you can buy them in one-time purchases of a set of 4 for about 15 bucks, or you can do a monthly subscription, because who doesn't need another monthly subscription? If only there was a pee test to help me cancel all of my currently running subscriptions. But that's another story. Anyway, I've already downloaded the app, and all this talk about peeing is actually giving me the urge to go again. So I'm going to go take care of business, and I'll be back to share the results. Okay, well, I just took the test, and now as you can see, I've got to wait 120 seconds before it's ready for me to scan into the app. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did you just see that little fact? The world record for longest pee is over 8.5 minutes? What did that guy like chug a swimming pool and then call up the Guinness book and be like, hey, check this out? Man. The test is done. This is so exciting. I mean, not as exciting as finding out you're having quintuplets, but, it's close. So a little bit about how the sausage gets made here. I shoot my videos on my iPhone 12 Pro, but the Vivoo app is also on my iPhone, so I can't really shoot the video and look at the result at the same time. So I've taken a screen recording and uploaded that to my laptop, and I've got comfy here in my bed so that I can shoot the video while I look at the results at the same time. Now, I haven't looked at the results yet. I don't know what it says. I'm assuming that Vivoo thinks that I'm just a finely chiseled specimen. I have no idea. So the next part here, totally unscripted. So here we go. Yes, I am ready to learn more about my body. Dehydration is a 2? Are you kidding me? I drank like 3 glasses of scotch today. That's crazy. My wellness score is a 6.1, moderate. Well, what else we got here? Okay, so puts me in the average range. Water, yeah, okay. 2.0, huh? I don't know about that. I do get a lot of headaches, though, so that may explain something. pH is a 5 out of 10. My urine is acidic. I need to have a more balanced urine. I figured 5 out of 10 would be that. So I have a moderate white blood cell count. It says I have a possible, I have been feeling like a sinus infection, to be honest, lately. So that may be accurate. Yeah. Kidneys are great. All right. Woohoo. Anyone need a kidney? Because I've got, great ones. Let's see. Liver is moderate. Well, I was actually expecting to be worse than that, given how much I drink, but okay. No risk for a UTI, though. That's awesome. And the ketones, great ketones. I mean, I got the best ketones. Look at that. Okay. Well, at least I'm not dead. And now it looks like we've got a bunch of recommendations here. So, drink some cranberry juice. Okay, not so bad. I love avocados. I guess do more of that. Yeah, more water. Okay. Lighten the liver load. Yeah, okay. Well, that'll happen. Color to my rice, onions, spices. Don't short yourself. Well, maybe tempting to skip breakfast. The day after overeating, I never skip breakfast. I'd never skip a meal. Okay. Well, that's some interesting stuff there, that's for sure. Now, they do say that the results should never take the place of an actual medical exam. So if you get a little freaked out by the results, please go see your doctor. I do think it'll be interesting to test again in a week, especially if I load up on cranberries and avocados to see if the results change. Hey, I might even mix all that up with some vodka too. I got the 4-pack of test strips on Amazon for about $15, and there's a link in the description so you can go try Vivoo out for yourself. And that's about it. If you like this video and want to see what else I can do with my pee, or not, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because for a subscription a day, you can help a dehydrated YouTuber make more videos. So until next time, this is Rob the Picky Daddy. Stay safe, wear a mask, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
PickyDaddy.com